Hey there, tech enthusiast. Welcome back to Prime Coding. I am Aditya, and today I am sharing you the Cognizant top 30 most asked repeated problems, previous year problems in this sheet. I researched throughout the internet, suffered a lot of websites to just find the common patterns, repeated questions on every website, then gathered together in a sheet so that you can prepare at one place. So guys, if you are not prepared with Cognizant coding assessment, because you will up to get 6 LPA, so why don't you try your best and prepare for this particular round? And this coding sheet is not the only concept of this video. I have a free thing to share with you all, which will be definitely helpful for your career, for your project development, and much more. So let's see that. So in cooperation with Google, so Google is offering an incredible package through Sweat.ai that simply can't miss. So here what you do. So in this particular program, as you can just scroll a bit, you can see what they are actually providing the Google Gemini free access for their premium version, which you can access for 3 months or 4 months, which will be very helpful, guys. You can upload your PPT or PDF, anything, and generate the same from this premium features, as well as you will get 3 months of premium collab access where you can access their GPU power as well. And the Google Cloud skills, you will get the Google free credits which will help you to use the GCP premium features. So guys, it not only help you to develop your skills in machine learning, as well as it also help you to make a better cloud engineer for future. Guys, not only this, the best part of this thing is, one of the thing that I would like to add up here is, they are not giving you this free feature just to use, but they are also teaching you the industry needed RAG programs. So you will learn here RAG programs. So basically RAG stands for retrieval argument generation, which is used to optimize the LLM models, large language models, which is basically used to create AI stuffs such as Gemini, ChatGPT, and much more. So think, RAG is used to optimize these AI bots, then see the future of RAG. And in the market as well, RAG has a great monopoly in the machine learning stuff. So it will also help you to create RAG projects. It will also help you to learn about RAG and much more. And guess what? This whole thing is just for free for all students, but for the working professional, they need to pay for 99. But I know you are watching and you are a student, so just head on, guys. It's free, not a single charge they will charge. You just need to fill up your details, put up your number, then student, then choose whatever you are pursuing in, then your college name, and just register now, and bingo, you are getting these features in your hand to use in any types of way. See, you can use it in any types. So why don't you register it? I'm not getting anything from this website. I just found in some student group, so just letting you know, so that this thing is just for free for all students. So why don't you avail it? Okay, so now let's see the first look of our sheet. So now this sheet contains n number of problems in same way you will get in your exam as well. Now you can see like a full story based question is here, and not only the array or mathematics, it covers n number of problems as well as the good level of explanation as well, which will help you to write your code line by line. Okay, so this sheet is just a one-stop solution for everything, guys, for everything. And the participant, as you can see, Vora went to a movie with his friends in a wave theater, and during the break time he bought pizzas, puff, and cold drinks. Consider the following prices: 120 puff and 10 rupees for cold drink. Now you got a sample input like this, and you need to generate a bill for it which look like this. Okay, you need to do in the same manner that we got from recent trends. So yes, as you can see, the thing that I recognized after creating the sheet is, I have created a TCS as well as the Capgemini coding sheet. What I feel here is, the questions were very easy, but they changed the output format. Okay, like you need to put the output in specific manner that they are reflecting, and many of the students are getting the same issues that like, let's say 65A you need to print, but what you do in your exam, which is a casual mistake, is you are putting some spaces here which will deduct your marks and your code will not run up there and you will not find the appropriate error of the single code. So please try to write your code in a specific manner. Now I have got n number of doubts regarding, Aditya, do we need to write functions? Because in your every coding video I saw you write functions. Guys, writing function will help you to debug and it will also help you to reuse your code. You can write it in a single go as well, but it definitely, they check after your submissions as well when you got shortlisted what type of code quality that you have written. Not only for this service base, for product base also they check your codes as well. So please mind it, try to have a habit of writing the functions when you're writing the code. Okay, so as you can see, again are story based questions. I will not go through it because these types of questions are big and lengthy too, but you can see, as you can see, some palindrome questions are asked in just a single line problem statement, but see how they have written it. Is it a big story? And the thing is, you just need to find the palindrome. So if you're not able to frame the answer in the exam, stay calm, read the questions again and again, and you will get your solutions. Now you will not crack your offer unless you will not perform good in your interview, and you need a good amount of speaking practice, your representation skills, and whether your resume stand up in your interview or not. For this prime coding comes into the picture, which will help you to crack your Cognizant test. Not only Cognizant, it will help you to crack your TCS, Accenture, Infosys, and much more. Right now we got student request is please update your Capgemini and Cognizant plan as well. So today I did it. You can see the Capgemini and Cognizant cards, and just fill your details up here and we'll meet you in your session, which will totally depend upon your resume, your projects, your coding skills, your vocabulary skills, your presentation skills, everything. I will check and I will give you a detailed feedback, guys. Detailed feedback. If you see 60 minutes of coaching review just in coaching of how to be representable in your interview, then targeted the technical prep of Capgemini, the HR questions round also will there, and the expert led one-to-one mock session, which is around 2 hours. Most of the time we take to 2 hours because I need to give a lot to you in just few bucks, because investing hundreds, it will give you a lakh of rupees return. See, lakh of rupees return, because I have a success rate of 99%. So guys, do check it out if you want to succeed in your interview and make your parents proud. Now we'll come up to our sheet. This sheet, I told you how you can find it. You can just need to fill the form and upload your screenshot of that. Yes, you have successfully submitted your registration, and see, we'll do it, we'll mail you, because creating this sheet takes a lot of effort. Okay, and I will create the solution of this sheet if you head on to at least 300 likes and 100 comments on this video. I will create the solutions of each and every question which is present in this sheet. But if you want this sheet or TCS sheet or Capgemini sheet, you just need to register on that and send us a screenshot that yes sir, I have did, please give us the sheets, and I will definitely send you the sheets. Use your AI powered bots that you have got from that site, and see, you will do any code in your exams as well. So I will meet you with a new video soon, and if you hit our like aim, then definitely I will create a solution of it, and do share it with your friends so that they will also get to know about that free plan as well as this sheet, so that they can crack the Cognizant campus visit. So as this is the on-campus opportunity as well. So all the very best, and we'll meet you with a new video soon after ending this 30 problems and after seeing you working in a company. So please subscribe it if you're watching till here, and like this video if you have not, and